Hi guys, welcome back to episode 4 of the Q4 FY26 earnings season. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about two companies जिसका result कल आया था, okay? That is basically Just Dial and Swaraj Engines. Now, I'll be very honest over here. When you talk about Just Dial, I don't even think you need to open the PPT and con call at times, right? Like you would understand it just by if you are a bit aware of your surroundings, you would understand that there is nothing happening over here in the business, okay? Because think about it, you as a consumer that is there, how many of you guys go to Just Dial? Let's say if you want to know about a restaurant, let's say if you want to know about a salon, let's say if you want to know about any sort of business establishment that is there, how many of you go today and search in Just Dial, right? Like, I show me one person who does that. Absolutely nobody. All of you go either search in any of the AI platforms, or you go search on Google which is the latest recent salon near me and everything, right? Now you understand iske wajah se, because you will see how the people ka habits, people ka trends have changed over here. You think this would also affect the business over here? And this change in habit is nothing but a reflection you will see in all of their metrics. Because agar aap inka how does Just Dial make money? Just Dial will make money when more number of users that is there will come to their platform. Now if you look at them, if you look at the unique metrics that is there, that is the unique visitors, agar aap dekhte ho, it is down by 5%. Agar aap listings dekhte ho, now think about it. If the people are not coming over here, right, if there are no consumers that is coming over here visiting your website, why would any establishment for that matter would want to come and list their businesses over here and pay a subscription in order to list their business over here? Nobody would do. And again, iske wajah se you will also see कि जो new listings है या total listings आप बोल सकते हो ना, the number of businesses that are listed in the platform, that has hardly increased over here, hardly increased by 10%, that is there. Okay, now you also know as to why the sales. Now think about it, there is no new customers, visitors coming to your website. There are the new establishments are not getting listed. जो old establishment है, even they are not renewing your subscription, which means what? Ultimately आप market share lose कर रहे हो. You're not able to capture market share. If you're not able to capture market share, which means what? आपका sales growth नहीं होगा ना. And that is just a testament over here, right? If you look at it, उनका जो total sales है, it is hardly, I think if you look at the year on year change, it is hardly 6%. Now इसके बाद when the sales is only hardly 6%, you tell me आगे जाके देखिए क्या फायदा, when the two most important metrics of the business that is there, which is the number of people who are visiting your platform and the number of businesses that are being listed on your platform, when that is only not growing, there is no point in going आगे जाके deep dig करके इसका cash flows देके कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, right? This is one. So I would put Just Dial actually in poor category. Although the result is like 6%, you might tell it is average, but if you look at the outlook of the business, there is nothing for the business to look forward to, right? There is nothing new happening over here. It is a laggard that is there. So I would put this Just Dial that is there in a poor category. And guys, aaj is video mein there would be no edits or anything because I'm traveling to Japan, so I'm shooting this video on the airport. It would not be possible for me to send the video to my to my editor. He will after that edit, send me back. It will take a long time. So this video mein there will be no uploads over here. And the second company that we will talk about is Swaraj Engines. Yes, Swaraj Engines क्या करता है? This Swaraj Engines, these people manufacture आपका diesel engines, okay, which is used in tractors, specifically only for tractors. इनका engines बनाते हैं, and not only engines, these people also make spare parts related to the engines, okay. Now over here, if you look at this company Swaraj Engines, it was actually started by Punjab Tractor Limited and Kirloskar ka that oil that is there. Those people started it. Then later Mahindra and Mahindra came, they acquired the stake from PTL, and not only that, over the period of time they started acquiring stake even from Kirloskar, and then they became a majority stakeholder right now, which is 52%. Now abhi kya karta hai this Swaraj Engines that is there? They primarily manufacture for Mahindra ka division. They act as a subsidiary to Mahindra, and they manufacture for Mahindra का स्वराज ट्रैक्टर्स जो है, इनके लिए डीजल इंजन दे मैन्युफैक्चर. एंड द डीजल इंजन का पावर आप बोल सकते हो, इट रेंजेस फ्रॉम 25 हॉर्स पावर दैट to around 60 that is there. Okay, now here is the thing, if you look at it, obviously the sales is pretty decent. Sales is up by 20%, profits are up roughly by around 18% in that range. Okay, and inka jo number of engines that are sold, you get this data only in annual report. If I remember it right, from 2024 to 2025, iska the number of engines sold was up by 10%. I now again 2025 we do not know, because this company doesn't give out any con call or anything, but in spite of 20% that is there, which is not bad, right? Like for a auto ancillary company, very niche, only tractors के लिए बना रहे हो, it is not bad. A 20% growth is not bad, with a very decent amount of EPS growth and everything. But having said that, I still do not find it that attractive. You know why? Because you're a subsidiary of Mahindra, which means what? You tell me, right? When Mahindra is investing so much in you, do you think they will allow to use their engines and everything for some other brand? No, you will only be manufacturing for Mahindra. So आपका जो पूरा का पूरा sales है, it comes down to finally how many tractors these people are selling, Mahindra is selling. So if I have to play, ultimately I would rather play Mahindra and Mahindra. Na, I will get an entire plethora of options over there. Not just tractors, I will get many other components, many other engines, many other vehicles that is there. Why would I want to play niche over here? Because iska, other than Mahindra, they won't be able to expand outside, that is there. I mean, even if they do, it is going to be very, very limited over here. There will be a lot of clauses, right? So this is why, in spite of 20% growth, because they are very exclusive, very limited to Mahindra and Mahindra, that is there, it becomes a very uninteresting prospect over here. Okay, and यहाँ पे you will see इनका cash flows भी, this time it has not been that great. Receivables has increased exponentially over here for this company, but again it could be because of an accounting thing, where Mahindra and Mahindra wants to show a better cash flow, so they do not pay the receivables right on time, right? Like unka payables might be like they are delaying it to show cash flows and anything, to make their cash flows better. You do not know, right? Ultimately kuch bhi ho sakta hai. So that is the thing. Yesterday's it is only these two companies, Just Dial and aapka this is Swaraj Engines. Today there are a couple of companies, there are 5 to 6 companies. Let's see how they do. But having said that, the full result season ka swing, right? Like with full flow, with full force, it actually starts from next Monday. Until then, you will see a lot of companies that is there. It is these kind of companies only, which is not that phenomenal, not that great, but decent kind of result only you will find. Okay, so that's that, guys, for Q4 FY26 episode 4. Hopefully see you again in another video tomorrow, that is there. Okay, chalo, bye.